design. Honor says it focused on making sure the 7C feels really good in the hand, with a 360-degree circular, symmetrical design for the phone. The phone looks sleek, and at 7.8mm thick it sits well in the hand with the rounded edges helping to provide a comfortable fit. While the 7C has a metal rear, it's just a thin sheet of metal attached to a plastic frame. This keeps the weight of the handset down, useful considering the large screen size, but it does mean it doesn't feel premium in the hand. It is solid however, and the build quality is good. There are easy-to-reach power, lock and volume keys on the right of the phone, while a 3" -1 tray on the left can accommodate 2 SIM cards and a microSD card. There's good news for audio fans as Honor has opted to keep the 3.5mm headphone jack on the base of the handset, and it lines up alongside a single speaker and a microSD port. It's a shame not to see a USB-C connection here as it's now the more dominant connection type, but it's not the end of the world. There's a rear fingerprint scanner included too, which is a handy addition when it comes to biometric security, but that's only half the story. That's because Honor has also built in Face Unlock into the handset, or it will do when a feature arrives via a NOTA, over-the-air, update, which is expected to land in May.